Hi everybody, this is Kim. Thanks for clicking on the video. Today, we're going to be talking about SUVs. If you're looking for a midsize SUV that won't let you down, reliability is key when choosing any vehicle for your family or for a daily commute. Today, I'm going to count down the 6 most reliable midsize SUVs available in 2025, backed by expert data from Consumer Reports, Edmunds.com, JD Power, and US News. Stay tuned for the end as I describe what the different rankings mean. Okay, first up, we've got the 2025 Lexus GX. This luxury SUV boasts a JD Power reliability score of 89 out of 100, making it one of the top performers in its class. With its robust build and off-road capabilities, the GX is perfect for those seeking both comfort and adventure. The starting price is approximately $64,000. Fuel economy is estimated at 15 miles per gallon city and 20 miles per gallon highway. It has a JD Power reliability rating of 89 and an Edmunds.com rating of 8.1 out of 10. This is a luxury SUV with rugged design, offering off-road capabilities and a powerful twin-turbo V6 engine. However, there is one negative: fuel economy is subpar. Next, we have the 2025 Nissan Murano. Matching the Lexus GX with a JD Power reliability score of 89, the Murano offers a sleek design and a comfortable ride, making it a favorite among urban drivers. The base front-wheel drive Murano SV starts at $40,470, with the fully equipped Platinum all-wheel drive model reaching $55,030. Fuel economy is estimated at 20 miles per gallon city and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. Has a JD Power reliability rating of 89. Edmunds has not yet rated this vehicle, so I don't have a score for that. This year, it's been redesigned with a new 2-liter VC turbo engine and updated technology. The Murano offers a smooth and refined driving experience. Some of the comments were that it lacked features that should be included on this level of vehicle. Okay, so next we have the 2025 Cadillac XT5. It stands out with a JD Power reliability score of 88. This luxury crossover combines style with substance, offering a smooth ride and a host of tech features. Pricing starts about $45,000. Fuel economy, they just said up to 24 miles per gallon combined. So there you go. Has a JD Power reliability rating of 88 over 100. And the Edmunds.com rating is 7.4 out of 10. This vehicle is a luxury crossover, offering a comfortable ride, generous upscale interior, and a choice between a turbocharged 4-cylinder and V6 engines. One of the negatives of this vehicle is limited cargo space. So next we have the 2025 Kia Telluride. It continues to impress with a reliability score of 86. Known for its spacious interior and value-packed features, the Telluride is a top choice for families. Pricing starts at $36,390. The front-wheel drive model combined 22 miles per gallon, and the all-wheel drive model gets a combined average of 20 miles per gallon. The JD Power reliability rating is 86 over 100, and the Edmunds.com rating of 8.4 out of 10. This is a spacious 3-row SUV known for its upscale interior, smooth ride, and abundance of standard tech and safety features. Now next we have the 2025 Chevy Blazer. This also earns a reliability score of 86. With its sporty design and responsive handling, the Blazer appeals to those seeking performance and reliability. The MSRP starts at about $33,000. For fuel economy, front-wheel drive model gets approximately 25 miles per gallon, and the all-wheel drive model gets approximately 21 miles per gallon. JD Power Reliability rating 86, Edmunds.com rating 7.3. This is a stylish midsize SUV offering a sporty design, responsive handling, and a range of engine options. However, it lacks the off-road capabilities of earlier models. Next, and our last one on the list, is the 2025 Honda Pilot. With a reliability score of 80, this offers a roomy interior and a reputation for dependability, making it a solid choice for those needing extra space. Starting price is approximately $41,650. Fuel economy is 22 miles per gallon combined for the front-wheel drive models and 21 miles per gallon combined for the all-wheel drive models. Has a JD Power Reliability rating of 80 and an Edmunds.com rating of 7.9. This is a versatile 3-row SUV offering spacious seating, ample cargo space, and a smooth ride with multiple trims to suit various needs. Known for comfort and utility. So you might be wondering, what does the JD Power Reliability score represent? Well, this score is derived from the Vehicle Dependability Study, which measures the number of problems experienced per 100 vehicles during the past 12 months by original owners of 3-year-old vehicles. A higher score indicates fewer problems and greater reliability. This study covers various categories, including the powertrain, exterior, interior, features and controls, and the overall driving experience. I also listed the Edmunds.com rating. Now, this rating is based on factors like performance, comfort, interior, technology, value, economy, and even some subjective elements. They listed these as examples: compelling design, fun driving experience, uniqueness, or other intangible values. Instead of a 100-point scale like the JD Power, Edmunds.com uses a 10-point scale to summarize their team's evaluations. The higher the score, the better. So whether you prioritize luxury, performance, or family-friendly features, these midsize SUVs have proven their reliability. Remember, choosing a dependable vehicle ensures peace of mind for years to come. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or anything you'd like to add to the conversation, please drop it down in the comments below. I appreciate that. Don't forget to subscribe, give the video a thumbs up, all that stuff. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.